How to Escape Paycheck-to-Paycheck Living Part 2. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the From Broke to Wealthy series. In Part 1, we talked about the financial traps keeping you broke, but today, we're diving into real steps to break free from living paycheck to paycheck. Let's go. Step number 1. Track every dollar. Most people don't realize where their money is going. Start by writing down every expense for a month. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or even just a simple notebook. Identify wasteful spending and cut unnecessary expenses. Step number 2. Build a realistic budget. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. If you're tight on cash, adjust to a 70-20 10 rule. 70% needs, 20% debt, savings, 10% wants. Automate bills and savings to avoid overspending. Step number 3. Cut expenses without feeling broke. Small changes equals big savings. Cancel unused subscriptions, buy groceries in bulk and cook at home. Use cashback apps and discount codes. Mindset shift. Instead of "I can't afford this," ask, "How can I afford this smarter?" Step number 4. Increase your income. Cutting expenses can only go so far. You need to earn more. Ask for a raise or upskill for a higher paying job. Start a side hustle, freelancing, selling digital products, flipping items, etc. Passive income ideas, investing, rental income, affiliate marketing. Step number 5. Build an emergency fund. The reason most people stay broke, they don't have savings for unexpected expenses. Start with just $500 to $1,000 and build up to 3 to 6 months expenses. Keep it separate from your main bank account so you don't spend it. Step number 6. Get out of debt as soon as possible. Pay off high-interest debt first. Credit cards, payday loans. Use the debt snowball smallest to largest balance or debt avalanche highest interest first method. Stop relying on debt. Only spend what you actually have. Closing and next video teaser. Recap. Track spending. Budget smart. Cut expenses. Increase income. Save for emergencies. And eliminate debt. Next episode. Part 3. How to start building wealth even with a low income. Hit like, drop a comment, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it.